Hey, what's up, guys? Off-roader here. I'm making another video of hockey cards, 15 cards, and thank you for watching the other one. So first off, we have Marc-Andre Fleury, 2016 hockey card, upper deck. They're not all upper decks, so like this one, you have like they're written on it. So like that one, just have like a little one. No one like that. That is a tap beige jersey, which I don't know. It's like a sticker or something. They're not all upper decks to be a rare because like this one is not like as upper deck. This is like tops, or like this one. I don't think this one is like upper deck. This one upper deck. Now we have another card of 2015-2016. His goals is 95. The Blues. OPG, which would be probably upper deck. Goals, 23 goals. And then another Pittsburgh one. We got two Pittsburghs in this card because and this one was in the front, so I put that one, and this one was in like pack, and then this one was in the back. There's no just to be sure, there's like I didn't get any like jerseys, Young Guns, whatever it is. I didn't get any of them, so just saying, I'm just really, if you want like something like jerseys or like Young Guns here or something like that, well then you go at Walmart or something. But thank you for watching, and see you guys all later.